I'm gonna prep the pork tenderloin for the recipe. Pork tenderloins usually come 2 in a package. I'm gonna turn it, and what I'm looking for is this silver skin. I wanna take that off so that my tenderloin will be more tender. Just slip your knife underneath the tenderloin and pull it through like that. I'm gonna go ahead and prep both of them and freeze the one that I don't need for today. So if you just hold it with paper towel, you can remove it fairly easily. Now we need to cut this so that we can butterfly it. So take the tip of your knife. I like to start in the center, and you're gonna go almost all the way through, but not quite. Stop about 1/2 inch from the edge. And then we're gonna do the other side. A nice sharp knife makes this easier. And then we want to open it up so it can lie flat. So now that we've got it started, you can take the tip of your knife to open it up, butterfly it basically, all the way through until it can lay flat. Just like that. Now I've put a piece of saran wrap over the top, and I'm using our meat tenderizer, which is reversible. You're gonna use the flat side, and we're just gonna pound it until it's about 1/4 inch thick. The saran wrap just makes it a little bit cleaner, and this can work on flattening chicken as well. So you want to apply a little bit of pressure, but not too much, because I don't want to break the meat. Just gonna keep going until it's about 1/4 inch thick. I'm gonna make a little spread, and so we'll take the garlic, 3 cloves, a little bit of lemon juice, touch of Dijon mustard, and a bit of olive oil. I'm gonna mix this all up. And now we're gonna spread half of it over the top. Now it's time to add our toppings. So I'm going to add the cheese. Just make it nice and even. And some spinach. Now I have some sun-dried tomatoes. And we'll finish it off with the prosciutto. Just like that. Now start rolling. Grab it furthest away from you and roll towards you. It's a little slippery, so if you simply press on the meat, it'll hold it in place. Just like that. You want to tie string to keep it all together. So this is butcher string. Okay, and I'll just trim it up. And we're going to put it on a sheet pan with a rack. So like this, just pick it up, just like that. And then take the rest of that mixture and put it all over your pork tenderloin. Pop it in the oven, 425 degrees. For about 25 minutes. And I did not let it go under the broiler. I just let it roast until the temperature was 144 degrees. So now I'm just removing the strings and then we're gonna slice it up. Let's see how this fits. There's one last one. Okay, let's slice this and take a look at the beautiful color inside. So, this looks wonderful. So let's take a look. You can see, there we go. Pretty easy to make. I can't wait to take a bite.